So the greatest recipe on the planet, wait one moment. 1, 2, 3, action. Something a little bit different, pumpkin pancakes. It's one way to use up our pumpkin throughout this challenge. Instead of things being thrown out, we've used the skins and the seeds for stock. We've taken it across the board into a veggie patty. We've added to our dragon bowl with our roast veggie bowl. And we're taking it through to this pancake. I know it's crazy, but this is how we can get a really great yield out of our vegetables and celebrate those farmers. So, this is what you're going to do. You're going to add all your ingredients into your blender, and the steamed pumpkin goes first, and it's steamed really well, so it's really soft. That's what you want. Straight into there, and then you're going to add your raising agent, cinnamon, and turmeric. Then our beautiful spelt flour. If you're gluten-free, you can use buckwheat, but I've got spelt today and I just feel like that. And it has a low amount of gluten in there. So some of us can have spelt, some of us can't. If you're one of those people that cannot have spelt, then just do the buckwheat, and buckwheat's gluten-free. So into here. And now we're going to add our liquid. So before we do that, I'm going to make sure my pan is on and it's warming up. Getting myself ready, you know, for all the things fabulous. Okay, and now I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. I know it's weird, right? But because we're not using eggs, the acidity of the apple cider vinegar reacts to the raising agent and kind of does a little bit of light, kind of bubbly situation going on in there. Now we're going to add our liquid, which I've got some beautiful coconut milk here. How much? Well, this is the thing. I normally do a cup at a time, so I know. And we're really after that batter type consistency, which is just yum when you think about it. So I'm going to add 1 cup to start with. Mix it through for a few seconds too, don't like mix it for minutes or anything like that. It's really important you remember that. Now this is a really nice thick batter type consistency, so I want some maple syrup in there. That cinnamon is just beautiful, so I want a bit of sweetness in there, and it's about 2 tablespoons of maple. Now, not all pumpkin is made equal, so I've used 1 cup. Now, if this pumpkin was really dry, I'd use more liquid, but I haven't had to. It's been perfect on the 1 cup. And this is the thing with vegetables, right? God has a plan. Okay, we are done. And then straight over here to your pan, a splash of coconut oil. Making sure that coconut oil is covering your pan, and then you get about 4 large pancakes to this mix, and we make 1 at a time. The bubbles need to come up in the middle as well, not just on the outside. Patient, yeah? Look at it. Oh yeah, that's awesome. So that when the bubbles start coming into the middle, and they start popping, that's where we turn it over. This is looking great. And when I turn it over, actually, I'm going to scoop it up on my spatula and then make sure the oil, if there's any left in there, you might have to add some, actually go to the middle of the pan. There we go. And then over. And allow this to cook through for a good 2 minutes on low. And then repeat the process and make 4 nice big ones. Now, if you can't eat 4 at once, save the other, I'm gonna eat 3. Save the other one for later and just put some peanut butter on there, you know, for a snack if you need something later. Even peanut butter and banana actually would be awesome. Okay, these are fabulous, darling, fabulous. And now I'm thinking banana. We're thinking banana, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. How am I thinking peanut butter?
I think just the peanut butter.
You just think the peanut butter, right? Yeah. Just wiggle it on, you know, have as much and as little as you like. And have as much banana as you want. And then the last bit of all things possible is this liquid gold. You want, and like I said, if you can't eat 4, 2 each.
2 each.
Or if I'm on my own, save a couple for later on during the day for a snack. Yes, yum. And we are done. Oh my God, that looks so good. And the colour's amazing, and the pumpkin's amazing. And the sweeter the pumpkin, the better the pancake. Winning. Okay, I'm out. I actually want some more peanut butter. Definitely a weekend vibe, hey?